In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner, and to take a photo and add it, click on Photo section here, pick your camera and take a pic. Then send it thanks to this blue button. To pick already existing photos and add them to your message, use the same icon. And this time tap on your photos over here. If you can't find some, select Photos at the bottom left corner. Click on all of your photos you wish to add and select Add at the bottom right corner. Then use the same icon, this one, to send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!